another day. Oh, what a wonder, oh, what a waste. It's a Monday, it's a Monday. What exciting things will happen today? The yard is full of heart, rubbish, it's a mess. Sunflowers, bean sprouts, sweet corn and radishes. I feel proactive, I pull out weeds, and all of a sudden I'm having trouble breathing in. I'm having trouble breathing in. My hands are shaky, my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. I'm breathing but I'm wheezing, feel like I'm emphysema. My throat feels like a funnel filled with Weet-Bix and kerosene. And oh no, the paramedic thinks I'm clever cause I play guitar. I think she's clever cause she stops people dying. Anaphylactic, so hypochondriac, should stay in bed today. I much prefer the mundane. I take a hit from an asthma puffer, I do it wrong. Yeah, I'm not that good at breathing in. I'm not that good at breathing in. I'm not that good at breathing in. Oh, I'm not that good at breathing in. Yeah, I'm not that good at breathing.